You make good money, 60, 70, 80,000 a year, but every month still ends with you cutting it close, wondering if the next bill will tip everything over. Why does that keep happening when you're not even living wild? The answer isn't what most people think, and it's hitting a lot of people the same way right now. If you're earning what used to feel like solid cash but still have that low-key stress every paycheck, stick around. This isn't about bad choices or blowing money. It's about how the basics quietly got way more expensive while pay didn't keep up, and normal life slowly started costing more than it used to. Back then, a good salary meant real breathing room. You could cover the house, the car, food, and still have space for savings, surprises, or just not stressing every single bill. Now, the same amount often feels like it's barely holding things together. The money runs out right around the same time the month does, even when you try to keep everything reasonable. The first big reason is fixed costs. The things you have to pay no matter what rose faster than your paycheck ever did. Housing is the main one. Rent or mortgage used to take a manageable piece of what you earned. Now it takes a much bigger piece just to have a safe, livable place. You need somewhere to live, so you pay it. But that one cost alone now eats up way more of your take-home before anything else even gets touched. Taxes add to it quietly too. In this income range, you lose a bigger share off the top than you used to. Federal, state, payroll, WARG. What actually lands in your account is noticeably less. These aren't things you can cut or negotiate away. They're fixed. You can't budget your way out of rent or taxes. They just are, and they've moved up faster than most salaries have. The second reason is that normal life quietly started costing more. What used to be basic, a place to live, food on the table, getting to work, keeping the lights on, now takes more money just to stay the same. A little upgrade here because the old option isn't safe anymore. A bit more there because the cheap version breaks down too often. Kids stuff, because school alone doesn't cover everything anymore. Each one feels necessary, not fancy. You're just trying to keep things normal. But together they push your costs up, and suddenly you're back in the same tight spot. Our brains make it feel even more confusing. We focus on today, not tomorrow. The upgrade feels like the right move right now. The extra stretch feels manageable. We see other people handling it and think, if they can, I can too. Social media shows everyone looking fine, so it seems normal. But the reality is quieter. A lot of people are in the same boat, just not posting about the close calls. The moment it really clicks is when you see this isn't about spending habits at all. It's the math. Fixed costs took a bigger bite. Normal life quietly got more expensive, and together they ate the margin that used to be there. A good salary used to buy space, room for savings, room for surprises, room to not worry every single month. Now it buys just enough to get by, with stress filling in the rest. It didn't flip overnight. It was slow. A rent increase here, a grocery jump there, a new essential cost that wasn't essential a few years ago. Year after year, the floor rose while pay inched up. You're running just to stay in place. So if you're making good money but still cutting it close, it's not you. It's not that you're reckless or failing. The game changed, and the rules got harder without telling you. Seeing it changes how you judge yourself. The pressure finally makes sense. You're not broken. The math changed. Catch you next time. And check this one out.